All right, today we're diving into an AI tool that is completely rewriting the rules of filmmaking. We're talking about creating cinematic video, and it all starts with just a few words. Let's get into it. So let me just ask you this. What if you could create videos that look like they came straight out of Hollywood, but without a camera, without actors, and with zero complex editing skills? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. The answer is a tool called RunwayML. This thing is a seriously powerful AI platform that lets you generate and edit absolutely stunning videos using nothing more than simple text prompts. And just to give you an idea of its power, its tools were actually used in the Oscar-winning film Everything, Everywhere, All at Once. Yeah, it's that good.
So, how in the world does Runway turn simple text into a cinematic masterpiece? Let's kick things off with its core feature, AI video generation. This is where the real magic happens.
Runway has two main models that do the heavy lifting. First up, you've got Gen 1. The easiest way to think about this is like an AI stylist for videos you already have. You can shoot a totally normal clip on your phone, upload it, and Gen 1 can transform it into an anime, give it a cinematic look, or even turn it into a sketch. It's awesome for giving your existing content a really unique AI-powered vibe. But the real star of the show, that's Gen 2. This is pure text-to-video. You don't need any footage to start. You literally just describe the scene you want to see. Imagine typing in a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars and cinematic lighting, and then just watching as Runway generates a full motion video from nothing but those words. It's wild. And what you can do with this is just mind-boggling. We're talking about creating entire short films from scratch, generating endless custom B-roll for your YouTube videos, or visualizing incredible animation concepts in seconds. It totally changes the creative game. The possibilities are just massive. Okay, so Runway is an incredible video generator. We've established that. But believe it or not, that's only half the story. It's also a complete AI-powered editing suite. It's built to be your all-in-one toolkit for pretty much any creative project. And this is where AI starts doing all the tedious stuff that used to take hours of manual work. You can remove a video's background with a single click. You don't even need a green screen. You can erase an unwanted object from a shot with a tool called in-painting, or even magically extend the frame of your video without painting. These are absolute game changers for anyone who's ever tried to edit video. And here's the thing, Runway isn't just about video. It's a complete creative studio. It also has a whole suite of AI tools for creating and editing images, which is perfect for storyboarding. And even tools for cleaning up your audio, like instantly removing background noise. You can basically do the whole shebang inside this one platform. So you've seen what it can do, but you're probably thinking, this has got to be incredibly complicated to use. Well, you'd be surprised. Let's walk through just how simple to process actually is. It really just boils down to these 5 simple steps. You make a free account, you pick whether you want to use Gen 1, Gen 2, or one of the other editing tools, and then you either type in your text prompt or upload your own video. You can tweak a few settings if you want, and then you just hit generate. And that's it. You need zero editing skills to get started. Seriously. Now for the big question. Is this tool actually right for you? Let's break down who can benefit the most from Runway, how the pricing works, and then we'll give our final verdict. The audience for this is just incredibly broad. It's for filmmakers who want to experiment with AI, it's for YouTubers who are tired of searching for B-roll, it's for marketers trying to create eye-catching product videos. Honestly, if you create any kind of visual content, there's a super powerful use case for you here. So let's talk pricing. They have a free plan, which is fantastic for just getting in there and trying everything out. It gives you a certain number of credits each month, but your videos will have a watermark. To get rid of that watermark, get higher resolution videos, and of course get more credits to generate more stuff, you can upgrade to one of their paid plans like Standard or Pro. So let's break it down, pros and cons. On the pro side, it is ridiculously easy to use. The video quality is genuinely world-class, and you get so many tools in one spot. It's great for beginners and pros. On the flip side, making those really high-quality videos does use up your credits. Some of the AI results might need a little tweaking to get them perfect. And, the platform can sometimes get a little slow and everyone is trying to use it at once. So what's the final verdict? RunwayML is an absolute must-try. For any creator out there who wants to use AI to make stunning video content without a crazy steep learning curve, this platform is a total game changer. And that really gets to the core idea behind this whole thing. It's about tearing down the technical barriers to creation. It leaves you with just one question to think about. Now that the tools are this powerful and this easy to use, what are you going to create?